Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a menu in Canva using an easy method. First, open Canva and search for menu templates. You'll find thousands of options, from elegant fine dining to casual cafe styles. Select a template that best suits your restaurant's vibe. This initial step saves you significant design time, allowing you to focus on your delicious offerings. Remember, a great menu starts with a strong visual foundation. Now, let's personalize your menu. Click on any text box to input your dishes, prices, and enticing descriptions. Make sure your descriptions are clear and concise, perhaps 20 to 30 words each. Upload your restaurant's logo and stunning food photos to truly make it yours. High-resolution images, around 300 dpi, will look crisp when printed. Play around with font combinations. Aim for one clear heading font and one readable body font. Effective menu organization is key for a smooth customer experience. Group your items logically into sections such as starters, main dishes, and sweet treats. Use clear headings and subheadings to make navigation intuitive. You might also include a dedicated section for chef specials or seasonal delights to highlight unique offerings. A well-structured menu, perhaps with 5 to 7 main categories, helps customers quickly find what they are looking for and encourages exploration. Before you finalize, meticulously review your menu for any errors. Check all prices, descriptions, and ensure consistent formatting throughout. A small typo can detract from an otherwise perfect design. Once satisfied, download your menu. For printing, choose a print PDF option, ensuring a high resolution of at least 300 dpi. You can then share it digitally or send it to your preferred print shop for beautiful, professional copies, perhaps on a sturdy card stock of 100 pounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.